Yes, sir. What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Denali, aka Don Squally, and we are back at it with another quick little YouTube video. So as a lot of you guys know, in my last video that I uploaded, we got the G35 tune. Been long awaited. Very happy about the outcome. The car is running extremely strong. But what I wanted for today's video is just demonstrate exactly how to use the ARC two-step that you can get with the UpRev Tune on the G35 350Zs, and I guess a couple of Maximas and Altimas have that option. I believe the 04 or 05 and up, you guys can get the UpRev Tune. So obviously what you're going to want to do first and foremost is get your car tuned. Now when you get your car tuned, you're also going to have to unlock or add the ARC two-step to the UpRev Tune that you will be putting on your car. And what that'll allow you to do, obviously, if you guys saw the videos, you'll get the two-step, the launch control. Rev's really nice. It definitely helps you launch just a little bit better. It helps with consistency and stuff like that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use that. Now, first and foremost, what you're going to want to do is turn your car on, which we're going to go ahead and do real quick. Now what you're gonna need to do is make sure that your foot is on the clutch, put the car in first gear, and you're just gonna wanna blip the throttle once quick and then put it all the way to the floor. Now this really goes against, you know, in my head it's really difficult to just absolutely mat the car. You're expecting the RPMs just to go all the way to redline. Now if you blip the throttle and don't go all the way to the floor, then the car will just rev freely and you're not gonna actually activate that ARC launch control, which is what's going to give you that great sound and obviously help you launch a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead, a little blip, and then all the way to the floor here. And as you can see, once we're in it, we can adjust with the cruise control where we want to launch at. Now, I normally launch at right around 2,500, and obviously once you have your RPM set to where you want it to be, you can just drop the clutch and you will then go. So I'm just going to demonstrate that once more, just a quick little blip and then to the floor. 3 grand, right around 3.5, 4 grand, 4.5 there, back down to 3. And then obviously releasing. Now let's say you figure out exactly where it is that you want to launch at. Let's say it's 2.5, 3,000 RPMs. Once you shut the car off, that's actually going to reset to the default, which is around 3,000. So just keep that in mind. Once you guys turn the car off and then restart it, you will have to reset which RPM you want your two-step or launch control set at. So what I'm going to do real quick is throw a couple of outside clips. I got my camera outside. I don't know, it's probably going to be extremely loud. We're in my garage right now, but I'm going to throw those clips in right now. And as you can see, extremely loud, much louder than, you know, just revving it normally up to 3,000, 4,000 RPMs. But yeah, that is how you use the ARC two-step / launch control, whatever you want to call it. Now, I had somebody ask me if it's a fuel cut launch control, and I'm really not too sure. You might have to look on the UpRev website to get a little bit more information about that. But I think I'm going to put an end to this video, short and sweet today. If you guys did enjoy it, don't forget to smash that like button. If you guys like the obnoxious exhaust on this car now with the tune, man, why don't you guys double smash the like button, plus share the video. Any little bit helps, and the more likes we get, the more I know that you guys want to see more videos like this, but I'm thinking that's probably going to be an end of this one. So as always, I am your boy D-Nolly, aka Don Squally, and we're going to catch y'all mofos at the next one, man. Peace.